Hey guys, all right, I have a 7-minute abdominal burner for you, 7-minute abs. Okay, so hopefully you caught my 7-minute legs and my 7-minute arms. Those exercises flow back to back. This is gonna follow that same format. So no breaks, no stopping, but it's only 7 minutes. Okay, so you're gonna give me all you got for 7 minutes, one time through. That's it, no repeating. All right, so it's gonna be fiery, but we're gonna get it done together. Each exercise is 30 seconds long, okay, but we do have a 1-minute little scorcher right in the middle, okay, before we continue on with those 30-second exercises. We're gonna start right away when I hit that timer. We are starting with a standing exercise, okay? So we're gonna be in a chair pose position. I'm just gonna tell you this first one because it's a little different. You're gonna find a nice little squat. Arms are gonna come up overhead, and from here, you're just gonna isometrically hold that squat, but we're gonna do a standing ab curl. So we're gonna exhale as we find that spinal flexion, reach the fingertips for the ankles, and then we're gonna inhale all the way back up. All right, so that's our first move. So find one end of the mat, because right out of that, we're coming into a plank. All right, so find one end of your mat. We're gonna get started right now. Here we go, that chair pose position. Reaching those fingertips all the way for the ankles on that exhale. Inhale, bring it up. It's a standing ab curl. Rounding the spine. Good, exhale, activating those abdominals right here, getting them ready for a lot more work. Keep those feet nice and flat. 5 more seconds here. We're gonna be walking right out to a plank. Good, right here, walk it all the way out to your best plank. Hold it there. Right toes step in and out. Left toes in and out. So you're basically bringing one leg into a kneel, but it's not touching the mat, okay? It's a hover. That knee comes under the hip. Good, knee stops under that hip socket. So that psoas muscle that runs along the base of the spine, part of your core, right? That's responsible for drawing this leg in. Good, we're gonna be stepping it down to our forearms, all the way down. Right from here, we're gonna find some flexion. We're gonna exhale, nod the chin, round the spine, and bring it all the way back to flat back. Round the spine, exhale, round and curl, and bring it back. Exhale, round and curl. Good, and bring it back. Little spinal flexion in this plank. Good, so we're not hiking the hips, we're rounding the spine. Hips naturally lift a little bit. Exhale, round and curl. Good, we're rolling onto our left forearm. So let's open up that right arm towards the ceiling from here. Dip that left hip down and up. Down and up. So I always say with these 7-minute exercises, it's really nice to watch this all the way through first so you know what's coming. All right, then it flows a lot easier. Good, working that waistline, those transverse abdominal muscles. Good, keep it going. We're swiveling back to center. We're gonna continue those hip dips on the forearms, but now right and left with those hips. Right and left. Swiveling from the waistline, that pelvis does a little dance. Right and left. Keeping the alignment of elbows under shoulders. Little twist from the waist. Good, swiveling through the toes. Good, right and left. Right, we're gonna take that other side plank, swiveling onto our right forearm. Good, right forearm down, we open up that left arm. Dip the hip down and up. Down and up. Down, we're coming into that 1-minute burner. It's gonna be mountain climbers. So you're gonna be back in that high plank. Little lower and lift of this hip right here. Keep it going till you hear that buzzer. Good, that 1-minute burner is a little cardio too. A little extra bonus. All right, roll it back to a high plank right here, mountain climbers. Right and left knees in. Good, you can run it like I'm doing, picking up the speed, or you can step it in and step it out. Either way, I want you to keep it going. Pull that belly button up and in. Okay, we've got a little dome right between my shoulder blades. I'm not collapsing through the shoulder girdle. Nice and tight core. That doesn't change. Not at all. All right, guys, we're coming onto our back. Whew. You got 25 seconds right here. Don't let it go. You got this. Little extra cardio benefit right here. Good, keep it going. You got 10 seconds, that's it. Roll onto your back. All right? Coming right into ab breakdowns. Arms are up. Right fingers to left toes and down. Left fingers to right toes. Right fingers to left toes. Left fingers to right toes. So it's a little V up, okay? More single leg. Good. That little diagonal swing is what we're targeting. All right, legs in tabletop, hands behind the head. Slow bicycles. Good, so you've got that ab curl, and now we're twisting out of that ab curl, twisting towards your bent leg. Okay, now what I want you to think about is keeping the elbows wide. It's your ribs twisting towards the inner thigh. Try to get those ribs to touch your inner thigh. Last 3. Woo. All right, you guys, from here, propped forearms. Legs are gonna lift and lower. Lift and lower. Woo. Glue those inner thighs together. Think about that belly button or that midline like a zipper. You're zipped up all the way through those inner thighs, up into that belly button. Good, you got 5 more seconds here. We're gonna be holding those legs up. Don't go anywhere. Woo! Hold them up there. Swivel those legs into first position. Now we're gonna bend the knees in and zip up the inner thighs out. Bend them in and out. In, zip it up. Good, so my feet are making a little V. Okay, core is nice and tight. Not letting my ribs open. They're closed like a corset. Good, little froggers right here. Coming into Russian twists. We're almost there, guys. Woo! All right, you guys, come on up onto that seat. Legs in tabletop, hands in prayer. Twist and twist. Twist and twist. Again, twisting from the waist. Okay, I want you to think about those ribs. Again, trying to meet the opposite inner thigh. Good. Keeping the chest open. Keeping those legs up off the floor. You can always bring them down to the floor if need be. Woo! All right, you guys. Last exercise. V-ups all the way up. Try to reach those toes. And down. Up. And down. Reach them up. And down. Reach them up. You can always bend your knees. That's another option. It would be bent. And back down. Or full leg lift. And down. You've got 5 seconds. Keep it going. Big lift. 2 parts of the body come together. Guys, that's it. It's all over. 7 minutes. That's it. Hopefully you're sweaty. I'm sweaty. Good. That's tough. Abdominals are tough, guys, but you did it. All right? I will see you next time. Any questions or comments for me, leave them below the video. I always answer them. And if you need to find me on Instagram or any kind of social, Jess P Fit is the same name, so it's really easy to find me. And I will always answer your questions. I love to hear from you. All right? I'll see you next time. Awesome job.